Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the rise of dinosaurs. How did these incredible creatures come to dominate the Earth? Let's find out. It's widely believed that the end-Triassic extinction, which wiped out three-quarters of all life on Earth over 200 million years ago, was caused by the buildup of carbon dioxide from eruptions over many millennia, raising temperatures to unsustainable levels for many creatures and acidifying the oceans. However, a new paper in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences says the opposite, that early, rapid cooling, not warming, was the main culprit. The study by Columbia Climate School researchers presents evidence that instead of stretching over hundreds of thousands of years, the first pulses of lava that ended the Triassic were short but intense events lasting less than a century each. For the study, the researchers compared Central Atlantic Magmatic Province or CAMP, volcanic rocks from Morocco, the Bay of Fundy in eastern Canada/US, and the Newark Basin in New Jersey, US. Studying the magnetic properties of the rocks that would have been affected by Earth's drifting magnetic pole, they determined that the CAMP lava deposits were spread over just 40,000 years. Because the magnetic particles in individual rock layers were aligned in a single direction, they deduced that they were laid down in pulses lasting less than a century. These concentrated eruptions released so many sulfates so quickly that the sun was largely blocked out, causing temperatures to plunge. These volcanic winters may have killed off many of the world's species long before the temperatures eventually started to rise due to CO2 released in subsequent eruptions. Carbon dioxide and sulfates act not just in opposite ways, but opposite time frames, says lead author Dennis Kent of the Columbia Climate School in New York. It takes a long time for carbon dioxide to build up and heat things, but the effect of sulfates is pretty much instant. These events happened in the span of a lifetime. Similar volcanic winter conditions have occurred in the aftermath of the eruption of Iceland's Loki volcano in 1783, which resulted in one of the coldest winters ever recorded and crop failures around the world. The magnitude of the environmental effects are related to how concentrated the events are, study co-author Paul Olson, a paleontologist at Lamont Doherty, said in the paper. Small events spread out over tens of thousands of years produce much less of an effect than the same total volume of volcanism concentrated in less than a century. The overarching implication being that the CAMP lavas represent extraordinarily concentrated events. According to the study, these concentrated events over 200 million years ago were instrumental in bringing about the end of the Triassic period and the beginning of the Jurassic, the period when dinosaurs arose to dominate the planet. By the time we reached the Cretaceous period, dinosaurs were at the peak of their dominance. They ruled the land, and their diversity was astonishing, from tiny feathered dinosaurs to the enormous Tyrannosaurus rex. But as we know, this incredible reign was not meant to last. Around 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event changed everything. The leading theory is that a massive asteroid struck Earth, leading to drastic climate changes. This event triggered a mass extinction, wiping out nearly 75% of all species, including the mighty dinosaurs. Though they disappeared, dinosaurs left an indelible mark on our planet. Their story continues to captivate us, reminding us of the ever-changing nature of life on Earth. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the rise of dinosaurs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite dinosaur? Until next time, keep exploring.